Class 8th Mathematics Chapter number 3 Indices and Cube Root. In this video we will solve practice set 3.1 and about how to solve this practice test. We have learned about indices. The product 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 can be expressed as 3 raised to power 5, in which 3 is the base and 5 is the index, and 3 raised to power 5 is the index form of the number. And now we will see laws of indices. If m and n are integers, then या ठिकाणी आपण इंडायसेसचे नियम समजावून घेऊया. The first rule, a raised to power m into a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m plus n. The second rule, a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m minus n. The third rule, in bracket a into b bracket close raised to power m is equal to a raised to power m into b raised to power m. Rule 4, a raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Rule number 5, a raised to power minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to power m. Rule 6, in bracket a raised to power m bracket complete raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m into n. Rule number 7, in bracket a upon b bracket complete raised to power m is equal to a raised to power m upon b raised to power m. Rule number 8, in bracket a upon b bracket complete raised to power minus m is equal to b upon a bracket complete raised to power m. अशा प्रकारे हे नियम आहेत. हे नियम आपणास पाठच करावे लागतील जेणेकरून आपल्याला पुढील प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह करता येतील. Using laws of indices, write proper numbers in the following boxes. आपण आता जे नियम शिकलो त्या नियमावरून आपण या ठिकाणी रिकाम्या जागा भरूया. Number 1, 3 raised to power 5 into 3 raised to power 2. Just now we have seen the rule 5 plus 2, that means 7. So 3 raised to power 7. Number 2, 3 raised to power 7 divide 3 raised to power 9. या ठिकाणी 7 मधून 9 वजा करावे लागतील म्हणजेच -2. The answer is 3 raised to power -2. Number 3, in bracket 3 raised to power 4 bracket complete raised to power 5. Here we will multiply 4 into 5, that means 20. 3 raised to power 20. 5 raised to power -3 is equal to 1 upon 5 raised to power 3. 5 raised to power 0, that means 1. Number 6, 5 raised to power 1 means only 5. Number 7, in bracket 5 into 7 bracket complete raised to power 2 or square is equal to 5 square into 7 square. Number 8, in bracket 5 upon 7 bracket close cube or raised to power 3 is equal to 5 raised to power 3 upon 7 raised to power 3. Number 9 in bracket 5 upon 7 bracket complete raised to power minus 3 is equal to in bracket 7 upon 5 bracket complete raised to power 3. अशा प्रकारे नियमांचा वापर करून आपण हे गणित सोडवलेले आहेत. Meaning of numbers with rational indices. Meaning of numbers when the index is a rational number of the form 1 upon n. Let us see the meaning of indices in the form of rational numbers such as 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 5 up to 1 upon n. Now to show the square of a number, the index is written as 2. And to show the square root of number, the index is written as 1 upon 2. जर आपल्याला एखाद्या संख्येचा वर्ग दाखवायचा असेल तर आपण त्याच्या डोक्यावर 2 लिहितो आणि वर्गमूळ दाखवायचे असेल तर ते अशा प्रकारे दाखवतो. Just we will see one example. Square root of 25 is written as this type, and this is radical sign. Using this index, it is expressed at 25 raised to power 1 upon 2. So, this type we have to write. In general, square of a can be written as a square. आपणास वर्ग लिहायचा असेल तर तो साधारणपणे अशा पद्धतीने आपण लिहितो. And square root of is written as this type. जर आपणास वर्गमूळ लिहायचे असेल वर्गमुळात a किंवा a raised to power 1 upon 2. This type we have to write down. Similarly, जसे आपण वर्ग पाहिले त्याचप्रमाणे घन, just like square. Similarly, cube of a is written as a raised to power 3 and cube root of a is written as this type. For example, 4 raised to power 3 is equal to 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to 64. Therefore, cube root of 64 can be written as cube root 64 or 64 raised to power 1 upon 3. या ठिकाणी आपल्याला 64 चा घनमूळ अशा पद्धतीने लिहिता येईल. Note that 64 raised to power 1 upon 3 is equal to 4. 64 चा घनमूळ 4 आहे. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 3 raised to power 5 is equal to 243. 3 चा 5वा घातांक हा 243 आहे. That is, fifth power of 3 is 243. Conversely, विरुद्ध बाजूने आता fifth root of 243 is expressed as this type. म्हणजेच 243 चे 5वे मूळ अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला लिहिता येईल. Hence, 243 raised to power 1 upon 5 is equal to 3. म्हणजेच 3 चे 5वा घातांकाचे उत्तर आहे 243. हे आपण उलट बाजूने सुद्धा अशा पद्धतीने लिहिता येईल. In general, nth root of a is expressed as a raised to power 1 upon n. For example, one example we will take now here. 128 raised to power 1 upon 7 is equal to 7th root of 128. Again, 900 raised to power 1 upon 12 is equal to 12th root of 900. This type we have to write down. Now we will solve practice set 3.1. Question number 1. Express the following numbers in index form. Fifth root of 13, this type. Sixth root of 9 is equal to 9 raised to power 1 upon 6. Square root of 256 is equal to 256 raised to power 1 upon 2. Cube root of 17 is equal to 17 raised to power 1 upon 3. 8th root of 100 is equal to 100 raised to power 1 upon 8. 7th root of 30 is equal to 30 raised to power 1 upon 7. Question 2. Write in the form nth root of age in each of the following numbers. 81 raised to power 1 upon 4 means 4th root of 81. 49 raised to power 1 upon 2 means square root of 49. 15 raised to power 1 upon 5 means 5th root of 15. 512 raised to power 1 upon 9 means 9th root of 512. 100 raised to power 1 upon 19 means 19th root of 100. 6 raised to power 1 upon 7 means 7th root of 6. Thanks.